pleased and honored to have you in our city. Bienvenue à l'aéroport international Rafik Hariri de Beyrouth.
Captain, I have the pleasure to welcome you on board this Airbus A320 from AZUR Airline to destination Paris-Orly. We apologize for this delay due to the late arrival of the aircraft from Paris-Orly. The flight time will be 4 hours and 30 minutes, and regarding the weather, destination fair temperature 20 degrees. I wish you a pleasant flight. Thank you for listening.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Noel Couture. I'm your person on this flight, Captain Mr. Philippe Gillen, the intake call. Welcome aboard the signature of A320. We do apologize for this delayed departure, and we thank you for your patience and understanding. We will take off in a few minutes for Paris. Only South Airport, the cabin crew will take care about your comfort and safety during this 4 hours and 30 minutes non-smoking flight. As you prepare for takeoff, would you please fasten your seatbelt securely? Thank you for choosing AZUR and have a nice flight.
Demandez d'éteindre vos appareils électroniques si les circonstances l'exigent. Ladies and gentlemen, I will now show you the safety procedures. May I have your attention, please? Les 8 issues de secours situées de chaque côté de la cabine sont signalées par des panneaux exit. 2 à l'avant, 4 au centre et 2 à l'arrière. Un marquage lumineux au sol vous indiquera le cheminement vers ces issues. Veuillez repérer l'issue la plus proche de vous. Nous devions évacuer l'appareil d'urgence ou devons abandonner vos bagages. Équipez-vous avant de porter assistance à une autre personne. If there's a drop in cabin pressure, a mask is automatically in front of you. Follow the mask to release the oxygen. Please the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. En cas de nécessité, prenez le gilet de sauvetage sous votre siège, sortez-le de son emballage et passez la tête dans l'encolure. In case of emergency, take the jacket from underneath the seat, move its main container and pull it over your head. Attachez et serrez la sangle autour de la taille. Pass the strap on your waist and tie it securely. Attendez l'ordre de l'équipage pour gonfler votre gilet à l'extérieur de l'avion en tirant sur les poignées rouges. Wait for a cruiser to inflate your jacket outside the aircraft by pulling the wet cords. Switched off, you will also be able to move around the cabin. However, we recommend you to keep your seat belt fastened during the flight while you are seated and to keep it visible.
Rain and thunderstorm expected it is afternoon. Landing expected at 25 to 80 that time. À l'attention de la cabine, début de descente.
containers autonomy passengers to Terminal AIGLE Paris. Please return to your seat. Fasten seatbelt and make sure your officer belongings are stored over your lockers. To Terminal AIGLE Paris, please ensure that the seatbelt is fastened and adjusted. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to France. It is 7:35 a.m. and we've just landed at Paris on the South Airport where the temperature is 21 degrees. We apologize for any inconvenience the hotel delay may have caused you. Our ground staff is at your disposal in the airport in order to assist you. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off and the aircraft has come to a complete stop. In the aircraft, please remain seated during waiting. It has been our pleasure to serve you on this flight and hope to welcome you again very soon. On behalf of AZUR, we wish you a very nice day. PNC aux portes. Désarmement des toboggans. Vérifiez la porte opposée.
AZUR Flight 273, boarding hall A gate A19.